New York Veterinary Specialty and Emergency Center, Quality Medicine and Compassionate Care, 2233 Broad Hollow Road, Farmingdale, New York 11735, 631-694-3400. For more information, go to www.nyvsc.com or follow us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NYVSC. What is a board-certified specialist? Board certification shows that a doctor has attained the highest level of training in their field. When they pass the boards, they have proven that they have mastered the knowledge and skills in their area of specialization. Our surgeons are your surgeons. Alan Karb, DVM, DACVS, Board Certified Surgeon, Diplomate of the American College of Veterinary Surgeons. Upon graduation from Auburn University in 1963, Dr. Karb spent 2 years in the U.S. Army Veterinary Corps. After completion of a 3-year surgical residency at the Animal Medical Center, Dr. Karb became a diplomate of the American College of Veterinary Surgeons in 1971. Except for 1 year as a veterinarian for Warner Brothers Wild Animal Park in West Milford, New Jersey, Dr. Karb has been in private surgical practice. Dr. Karb is a past president of the Long Island Veterinary Medical Association, the Suffolk County Animal Emergency Service, chairman of the Education Committee of the American College of Surgeons, and the New York State Veterinary Medical Society Wildlife Conservation Committee. He is a past recipient of Merit Award from the New York State Veterinary Medical Society. Dr. Karb has had papers published in textbooks and professional journals and has spoken at professional and breed club meetings. Arnold S. Lesser, VMD, DACVS, Board Certified Surgeon, Diplomate of the American College of Veterinary Surgeons. Dr. Arnold Lesser specializes in small animal general, orthopedic, and neurosurgery. He has been working for over 20 years to advance veterinary treatment to the Long Island and greater New York metropolitan areas. A graduate of Columbia University in New York and the University of Pennsylvania Veterinary Medical School, Dr. Lesser has been a diplomate of the American College of Veterinary Surgeons since 1982. He received advanced training in veterinary orthopedic surgery, including total hip replacement, at The Ohio State University, and is certified by Penn Hip. He has published numerous articles in veterinary journals and written chapters for various veterinary surgical textbooks. He lectures on orthopedics and reconstructive surgery at local, national, and international meetings. He is a past president of the Veterinary Orthopedic Society and was chosen one of New York's top veterinarians by New York Magazine in 2002. Patrick McGuire, BVSC, HONS1 Staff Surgeon. Dr. McGuire graduated with first-class honors from the AVMA-accredited veterinary program at the University of Sydney, Australia. Receiving awards in both diagnostic imaging and communication, he has completed a clinical year including rotations in Singapore and rural Australia. Following graduation, Dr. McGuire and his wife moved to California, where he spent time in general practice in the San Francisco Bay Area. With the successful completion of his surgical internship and a 3-year surgical residency at New York Veterinary Specialty Center, we are honored to have him as our staff surgeon. Dr. McGuire has spoken at both local and international conferences on a variety of surgical topics including wound management, cruciate repair, and angular limb deformity. Aside from his clinical duties, Dr. McGuire is currently involved in research regarding elbow dysplasia, radiographic imaging, and infection control. Dr. McGuire is a member of the American Veterinary Medical Association and the Veterinary Orthopedic Society. Our internist is your internist. Brandy Hurwitz, DVM, DACVIM, Board Certified Internal Medicine. Dr. Hurwitz graduated from Ross University School of Veterinary Medicine in 2003. Following graduation, she completed a one-year rotating internship in small animal medicine and surgery at the former Center for Specialized Veterinary Care in Westbury, New York. Dr. Hurwitz's residency training was completed at the Cornell University College of Veterinary Medicine in Ithaca, New York. Having successfully passed the qualifying and certifying examinations, as well as becoming published, she received board certification from the American College of Veterinary Internal Medicine. Her particular areas of interest are hepatology, nephrology, immune-mediated, and hematological diseases. Dr. Hurwitz wanted to be a veterinarian since early childhood. She first entered the field as a kennel technician at the age of 16. Dr. Hurwitz has had a lifelong passion for puzzles of all kinds. While still in veterinary school, she became fascinated by the diagnostic challenges offered by a career in internal medicine. Originally from Maryland, she has been living in New York since 2003. Outside of veterinary medicine, Dr. Hurwitz is an avid downhill skier and recreational cyclist. A self-professed foodie, she also loves exploring the New York City restaurant scene. Our anesthesiologist is your anesthesiologist. Jennifer Hess, DVM, MS, DAC, VAA, Board Certified Anesthesiologist. Diplomate, American College of Veterinary Anesthesia and Analgesia. Dr. Jennifer Hess joined the surgery team here at New York Veterinary Specialty and Emergency Center. As a board-certified anesthesiologist, Dr. Hess's specialty is in making sure that anesthesia protocols are as safe as possible. She is one of the few anesthesia specialists in the area and works with our surgeons to customize anesthesia, especially for patients that are at higher risk for anesthetic complications. These include geriatric patients, as well as pets with chronic disorders such as heart disease, pulmonary disorders, and many more. There are very few hospitals that have a board-certified anesthesiologist, so not using one is routine in the veterinary world. However, you can take comfort knowing that you have the option to have an anesthesia specialist there for your pet. If you have a high-risk patient or simply desire to have a board-certified specialist performing anesthesia, just speak with your anesthesiologist, Dr. Jennifer Hess. Visit Dr. Hess's website at www.hessvet.com. Our oncologist is your oncologist. Michelle Cohen, DVM, MS, DAC-VIM, DAC-VR-RO. Diplomate, American College of Veterinary Internal Medicine Oncology. Diplomate, American College of Veterinary Radiology, Radiation Oncology. Dr. Michelle Cohen is a graduate of Brown University and the Cornell University College of Veterinary Medicine. She completed her internship at the Animal Medical Center in New York and her residency training in medical and radiation oncology at Auburn University. She earned board certification as a specialist in both medical oncology and radiation oncology. Dr. Cohen has several publications and has given many lectures in the field of oncology. In the past 10 years, she has been practicing medical and radiation oncology in private practice in New York and New Jersey. While she always loved animals, Dr. Cohen's interest in veterinary oncology stemmed from the loss of her two pets to cancer when she was a teenager. Outside of veterinary medicine, Dr. Cohen enjoys gardening and running. We are proud to have Dr. Cohen on our team at New York Veterinary Specialty Center for the past 8 years. Our dermatologist is your dermatologist. Norma Whiteweathers, DAV, CD, Board Certified Dermatology, Diplomate of the American College of Veterinary Dermatology. Dr. Whiteweathers attended Tuskegee University College of Veterinary Medicine and graduated with a doctorate in veterinary medicine and a master's degree in animal nutrition. She completed a one-year rotating internship at Tuskegee in medicine and surgery. Following her internship, she completed a 3-year dermatology residency at the University of Georgia College of Veterinary Medicine. During her residency, she was the recipient of a comparative dermatology fellowship at the University of Miami Medical School. Upon her completion, she returned to Tuskegee, where she held a teaching position as an assistant professor for 7 years. She then accepted a position at the Veterinary Allergy and Dermatology Referral Service of Houston, Texas. She brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to Long Island. She believes in compassionate care and providing pets with the same level of care as human beings. Her special interests are in autoimmune skin diseases and ear diseases of dogs and cats. Dr. Whiteweathers has published numerous papers, book chapters, and has lectured worldwide. She has been the secretary of the Long Island Veterinary Medical Association for 3 terms. When Dr. Whiteweathers is not practicing medicine, she enjoys traveling, sewing, and helping others. Our cardiologists are your cardiologists. Jonathan C. Goodwin, DVM, DACVIM, board-certified cardiologist. Diplomate of the American College of Veterinary Internal Medicine Cardiology. Dr. Goodwin attended Cornell University and obtained a bachelor's degree in animal science before obtaining his doctoral degree from Tuskegee University. He completed his internship in 2000 with an emphasis on internal medicine and cardiology at the Coral Springs Animal Hospital, and then went on to complete a cardiology residency at Purdue University from 2005 to 2008. Dennis Trafney, DVM, DACVIM, board-certified cardiology. Dr. Trafney has just joined our team. More information and photos to come soon. Where to find us. We are located at 2233 Broad Hollow Road, which is Route 110, in Farmingdale, New York, 11735. Halfway between the Long Island Expressway and the Southern State Parkway, between Adventureland and Wendy's on the east side of Route 110, across from SUNY Farmingdale. From the Long Island Expressway, take exit 49S and go south 2.4 miles. From the Southern State Parkway, use exit 32N and head north 3.2 miles. For more detailed driving instructions, go to www.nyvsc.com and click Contact Us. Thank you for watching. For more information, go to our website, www.nyvsc.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Google+, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.